Hi guys, this is MacBook Pro 13 inches 2013 version, and the screen of this laptop is broken. I went to repair it in Apple Store and they offered me repair for 500 bucks. After watching some YouTube videos, I got some confidence that I can repair it myself. That's why I ordered one screen the top of it and decided to do it myself. I bought a P5 pentalobe screwdriver from Amazon and it gonna cost around $8. I'm not a professional electronic repairer, but I'm trying my best to do this. And I saw in YouTube videos that it is quite easier, so you can do yourself if you have a little knowledge of these things. I always recommend you to make sure that you have already turned off the laptop before you start repairing it. First of all, I'm gonna remove the battery connection from here. This is the battery connection for the laptop, and you can just pop the thing up to disconnect the battery. You can see here this is removed now, and I'm gonna remove the rubber bumper over the fan, and it is this comes out. You can just pull it out, and now I'm gonna disconnect three wires here. We can just pop them out from the connection, but make sure you remember which wire is connected with the which port. After that, I'm gonna remove the webcam wire from here. You can just pop it up, and you can pull it out from here. Is just little bit, you need little bit energy to pull it out. Be careful, and you can just take it out. And the other step goes here in this corner. There is a connection for the screen, and this is the visual connection, so you can just pop it out and pull it out of the connection. So we are done with the connection. So here are some screws. You have to use the other T5 Torx screwdriver to remove three screws from here and three other screws from the other side. When all six screws are done, now you have to place the screen like this and open up to 90-degree angle so that it pops it out easily, and we will unscrew two more screw here. You can see this side one of that and the other one in the other side, and we use this P5 pentalobe screwdriver here, and it just comes out, and the other one in the other side. When both of the screws are done, now you can just push it back and take it out from the main body. It detaches from here easily. And finally, this is the new screen I got from the Amazon, and this is brand new. Here it comes like that, and just you can pull the plastic cover here and be careful about these wires here, and you can just take it out. And be careful about the model number. You have to be careful about the model number before you order it. And this is the brand new Apple logo here, and now I'm gonna push it back to the main body in the same 90-degree angles. That will be easier way to fit it. I'm putting back the screws as it is, and here goes 3 more screws, and just putting them in the same way as before they are here. After opening the tape here, I realized that I need to screw this with the 3 screws. 2 of them screw there, so I need to redo it, and I'm doing that again. That means I'm unscrewing here and put it back. So be careful when you are doing this. Just if you remember at the first, that will be better. I've done with the screws. Now it's time to connect the cable for the webcam. This is the webcam cable, and it comes with some kind of cover here. You can remove it, and you can just plug it in the same way as it was before, and this is done now. When it comes to the connection of these 3 wires, it made me a little confused, so be careful about that. It has a kind of bulged tape there, so you can remember that which one is connected with the which port, and you have to be careful about the thing that which cable connects with the which port here. This connection was a little hard for me, but you have to be very careful. It is very small and delicate, so just don't use too much force, and you can push them to the right place very gently, and when they fit there, you can just leave them. It was a little bit difficult to fit them there, but finally I did it. There was very frustrating connection. Now here comes the connection for the visual wire here, and this corner it is quite easier, and you can just push it there, and it is easier than the other connection. When all the wires are connected, now it is turn to connect the battery here. It is a little bit harder, but you can fit it, but don't use a lot of power. It is very delicate, so just push it gently, but make sure it fits in the wire connection there. So it's almost done. Let me see what is happening here. Yes, push it. Okay, it is good now. So just it is ready. Finally, my computer is ready. Let's see the brand new screen. Does it work or not? Let me turn it on. Push, push. Is it working? Let me see. It should be good now. Okay. Now I'm covering the back of it and putting the screws in the same way before. I tell you one thing, I'm not a professional electronic repair. You can see my hands are shaking, but still I was able to do that. So I saved my almost 200 bucks out of it, and hopefully you will like the videos, and I'm gonna make some more money out of it. Let's see. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and that will help me to make more videos out of it. And you can subscribe my channel too, and don't forget to comment. And if you have any other questions, you can comment under this video. Thank you for watching this video.